One set and reset flip-flop works. Okay, so we have set here and reset here. Okay, so now the status of this one is 1. Okay, so to make this one 0, you need 1 here. So it means it's reset. Okay, so once you get 1 here, this one becomes 0. Okay, so once this one becomes 0 here, remain 0. Okay, so once you have 1 here, this is the set. 1 you have set here, you can get 1 here. Okay, so to finalize this one here, you see this one, we have
This is IVD.
here.
Don't tell
That
them.
means any input here that goes 0, it will make 0 here.
Okay,
Because
okay.
this one is 0 and this is 1. Okay, so this is an example of a
Okay, okay.
RS.
Okay.
Okay guys.